To remove YouTube Shorts from your YouTube application or to disable YouTube Shorts, first you need to open YouTube, and as you can see right now my shorts feeds are appearing on my YouTube's homepage. So along with the shorts there's the long video, but I don't want the short video on my home screen. So in order to remove the short videos, first we need to tap our logo from the bottom right corner, and from here tap this setting option, and from here we need to select general. Now here we need to again scroll down until we find this option called playback in feed. Tap here and we need to turn this off. So this is the first step, and now we need to do the second step. Just go back once more to our home screen, and then whenever you see the shorts, press the three dots here and not interested. Press the three dots, not interested. We need to do this for each and every short feeds. Let me do it for all. So yeah, as you can see there is no shorts. So now we need to close YouTube, and now let's see if we find the shorts feed in our homepage. So as you can see there is no shorts on our homepage. So we have successfully removed YouTube shorts from our YouTube homepage. So yeah, that's how you do it. Hope this video helpful. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.